Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. We're here on deck 15. We're actually going to go into the Seaplex here on the Ovation. Let's check this out. Got some pickleball going on here in the Seaplex. Over here, let me show you this. They also have an arcade on board. This is Challenger's Arcade. Got a lot of fun games in here. You can even use your Seapass card to play these games. You got fun games like arcade games, also games of skill. You can also try those as well. Yeah, a little loud in here. Let's get back out to the Seaplex. Whew. All right. We're here at the Seaplex. They got bumper cars in here. They're recharging at the moment. You can see them here on the left side of your screen. Bumper cars. Recharging the cars. Got several courts here available for pickleball. They got the safety nets up, so that way innocent bystanders don't get pickled. And another thing we have here in the Seaplex, I'll show you this in a second. Yeah, here's a good view without the net. You can see the Seaplex. Alright, let me show you this. This is what I really wanted to show you originally. Is this up here? This is a great place to go for a snack. This is the Doghouse. The Doghouse has all kinds of wonderful snacks. Of course, they have hot dogs, but they also have like different wursts and brats. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. On the left side again, you see more of the bumper cars being recharged. So that way you can have lots of fun bumping. Yeah, don't try this at home. All right. Let's go upstairs and check out what's up on the second level, or deck 16 of the Ovation. Morning. All right. All right, we're upstairs now. Of course, you got like an aerial view of like the pickleball court, but they also have many games. You can see on the right side of the screen, you got ping pong, like table tennis. All right, and over here, we got more stuff. Xbox games. Whoever thought you could play Xbox on a cruise ship? Here you go. You can. There's several screens here. You can play all your favorite games on your Xbox here on the Ovation of the Seas. All right, what else we got? Here's another view of the Doghouse. Almost like an aerial view. And of course, here's me, in case you forgot what I look like. Alright. Got more ping pong tables here. More ping pong. And over here, of course, you got more of the bumper cars being recharged. But we got some more like table games. We got like air hockey, like foosball, all kinds of fun stuff. You're not going to be bored on this ship. Here's another thing we got up here, is access to the suite sun deck. That's right over here. Access it with your card. Door opens. We're out here on the suite sun deck. Got some beautiful views. We're in Noumea in New Caledonia today. Oh, it's hot. Thing's about 82 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 28 Celsius, and about 100% humidity. Feels like you could swim through the air. Up ahead, the North Star. That little capsule up there take you up to 300 feet above sea level for some spectacular views. You got the outdoor main pool over here. Yeah, check that out. Beautiful view of the Lido, or the pool deck. And of course, the sweet sun deck also wraps around the ship, all here to the port side of the ship as well. It's a really great place to hang out because hardly anyone is ever up here. And background to the Seaplex. But you've already seen the Seaplex. Big comfy seating. Anyway, that's a quick review there of the Seaplex and the Sweet Sun deck. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.